Hey Marus family, welcome back to my channel. And guys, first of all, I want to tell you something. If you want to enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to enjoy more videos, don't forget to turn on the notification button, because I always do reaction on my Filipino people, mostly my favorite, my idol, Sarah Geronimo. Okay, today I'm here to do reaction on her latest video, just released I think. And of course I just go through on YouTube and I find this video. I'm like, okay, let's go, we'll do reaction. And it's called Sarah Geronimo Iconic Songs, Rimjind Billboard Philippines Studio something. So let's go, we'll watch and let's see how that. And I want to tell, if you have any request, if you want me to do reaction on any singer, you guys can let me know in the comment section. For any video from Philippines, I will be more happy to do reaction on that. And you guys can show me more love and support by joining my Patreon, link is in description. Let's go, we'll watch and let's see how this. So we'll start now. Philippine Billboard Studio.
Parang kailan lang tayo magkasama, nakahiga, minamasta ng mga tala. Di natin kilig ang gabi, tayong dalawa'y magkatabi. Walang makakasira sa ating sandali. Wala sa ang ating mga alaala, kailang makasama muli. Araw-araw ay tumatawid sa aking panaginip. Ating mga nakaraan, dati, kinakalang walang hanggan. Ano ba ang mga paraan para maranasan ang mga araw tulad na dati. Ano ba ang mga paraan para maranasan ang araw tulad na parang kailan lang ika'y nakakausap, nakahiga, minamasta ng mga ulat. Binubulong ang mga hiling, tayo lang ang nakakarinig. Okay, tambis ng ating mga sandali. Wala sa ang ating mga alaala. Sa aking panaginipan, ating mga nakaraan, inakala walang hanggan. Sakit bawat takip Pagkakaulan sa daliho Narahatid ng bati Sana nang paghilinga Dapat di kailangan sabihin Paalam at paalam Ayaw ang aking tahanan Uuwihan ko bawat araw-araw at habang Di pinabaya Di na kaya pa magtago-taguan Di ba pwede na magmahalan na Di lang tayo palibayan Ikaw lang ang gusto at kailangan O ipipagaw sa lahat na inayakin ko ang dapat ang babae pagkalaman Ilan ang ipinabahan Di na kaya pa magtago-taguan Di ba pwede na magmahalan na Money ngayon Nag-aabang Tatupati Ang araw na hinihiling ko Malaya nilang maririnig At ikaw na Ang aking napili Tayo lang mananatili Kinakailangan ilihim na sa akin Bakit? Kung ay panananak ka na walang pag-alilangan Ikaw lang, paano ba? Di nilalang Gusto kong mahalin din ang tayo ang dahil may alam mo Paano ipagsisigawan? Ikaw na lang gusto at kailangan Ikaw sa laban na ikayakin kong mundo Hamat ang babae paglalaman Ilan di pinabalam Di na kaya pang tago-taguan Laging mayroon
Come on, girl. Come on. Okay. I think it's finished. So I'll tell you something. I never feel bored watching Sarah. I never feel bored watching my queen. She is always my idol. You guys know that I have list of Filipino singers that I really love. First is of course always Sarah Geronimo. Second is of course Regine Velasquez. Third is Morissette Amon. Then of course there is Bamboo. Okay, there is of course Julian San Josh. There is a lot of the other singers. Okay, I really love them. Always I watch them and I always do reaction on the singers, but Sarah is always my favorite and I always love her. You never feel bored. You guys can see how she how she is actually in between the song, like after 3 to 4 minutes she start dancing, and that is super in it. Believe me, sobrang in it po. Okay, I have to make it my AC high now because it's too much in it here now because of Sarah Geronimo. I really love it. I enjoy it. Of course, I watch Sarah Geronimo from long time and I do reaction on videos of her always, and I always watch her. And this is a request because I can't find most of Sarah's latest videos. So this is a request to all the Kabayans or the Filipino people who's watching me. Please, sobrang, please salamat if you guys can find more videos of Sarah Geronimo and send me in the comment section. I will try my best to do reaction on Sarah Geronimo because I really love her and I really miss her. Now I need to continuously do reaction on her and watch her videos, anything happen, and I hope you guys can help me because of that. So please try to send me more videos of Sarah Geronimo so I can do reaction on her. Okay, I love it, I enjoy it, and I hope you guys also enjoy. I'll see you in my next videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment down below. Love you guys. Take care. Keep showing your love and support. Bye.